Rushikulya Rukri, all set to welcome olive ridleys. Olive ridley turtles are quite unique and they are found in the tropical and the warm water around the world. It has been listed as a vulnerable by IUCN, International Union for, Con- for, Conver- for Conservation of Nature. These turtles have been primarily found in Pacific Ocean as well as in the Indian Ocean, but this species is also found in the few parts of Atlantic Ocean as well. The most unique feature of the olive ridley turtles is their mass nesting and the mass hatching phenomena. Every year, olive ridley turtles choose preferred nesting sites around the world that are located in the tropical areas and they lay eggs in large number. During this nesting season, thousands of mother turtles walk up to the beach and they lay the eggs in near unison and walk back to the water. After a few weeks of mass nesting, we get the witness of these mass hatchings of these nests. Thousands of baby turtles hatch at once and start walking towards the sea. This is considered as a visual spectacle and a critical natural environment for the event. But the olive ridley turtles are facing numbers of threats. Their mass nesting and mass hatching phenomena is being affected by the mechanized fishings which make use of trawling. So first here basic information is written about how the International Union for Conservation of the Nature is doing their work. Then the mass hatching and mass nesting phenomena is shown here. And then what are the threats and the problems the olive ridley turtles are facing? Is the fishing which make use of trawling boats, mechanized boat and trawlers scoop up large quantity of a fish from the bottom of the sea bed and they are accidentally become the olive ridley turtles as well. They are also affected by the marine pollution caused by ships, oil leakage, plastic pollution, garbage, etc. The erosion of the beach leads to rising sea levels and the accumulation of debris and plastic wastage is also a threat. The another threat is of being hunted by predators and being poached by human beings. In case of India, the coastline of the Orissa is preferred nesting sites to the olive ridleys. Along the entire coastline of Orissa, we have number of beach, but the mass nesting sites are located at the Rushikulya Rukri, at the mouth of Rushikulya river, and as well as at the Gahir Mata beach. Now this news is related to the first news. So the Orissa State Forest Department's action to protect the olive ridleys. This article refers to the arrangements of the state's forest department is making for the protection of the upcoming mass nesting period. So what are the efforts the state government is taking, department is taking? The main objective of this forest authorities is to provide security to the mother turtles and the eggs. So a metal fence is being connected to the mass nesting site in order to protect the mother turtles and eggs from human as well as from the predators. The forest department and the environmental activists are conducting a community awareness programs for the local fishing community in order to ensure that the local communities become a part of the conservation efforts. They do protect they do protect the mother turtles mating near the coastline from the mechanized boats and trawlers. Mechanized fishing and trawling has been banned and the state authorities are patrolling the region in order to enforce this ban. Then over the last few months, the state forest department has been working with the volunteers and environmental activists in order to clean up the beach so that all the accumulated debris and the plastic waste can be reported. And to tackle the hunting and poaching, the state authorities have taken steps to prevent the entry of predators and they have set up constant monitoring at the mass nesting sites. So these are the efforts taken by the state department. Next is the SC order political parties to publish the criminal records of their candidates. SC Supreme Court orders the political parties to publish the criminal records of their candidates. The Supreme Court has ordered all political parties to state the reason for giving election tickets to the criminal record holders. Supreme Court ordered on February 13, 2020 that the political parties have to be upload details of the criminal cases against candidates on their websites. Supreme Court said that it is flagging an alarming rise in the criminalization of politics in 4 previous national level elections. As per the Supreme Court's order, political parties have to upload all the details within the 48 hours.